What happens when you mash up yakisoba and fried rice? Sobameshi is the ultimate carbon carb comfort food. See the golden noodle crisp meets perfect rice grains? It's time to cook. For a printable version of this recipe, visit my website. Just Google Sobameshi space Zachi to find me. Let's start by getting everything ready so we can have a nice smooth cooking experience. Start by giving your vegetables a good wash and cut them into similar sized cubes. You'll need quarter a carrot, 150 grams of green cabbage, and 1 green bell pepper. Next, go ahead and grab your 150 grams package of yakisoba noodles. These pre-steamed noodles are absolutely perfect, and you can find them in the refrigerated section of Asian supermarkets. If you can't find them, no worries. Fresh ramen noodles work just as well. If you'd like to learn how to do so, check out my yakisoba video. Cut the noodle block into strips that are about 1 to 2 centimeters wide. Of course, it's all about those perfect bite-sized pieces. As always, all ingredients and exact measurements for this recipe can be found in the description box below. Next, take 150 grams of thinly sliced pork belly and finely chop it. Here's where my recipe gets its secret ingredients. Mix together 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, half tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of ketchup, 1/8 teaspoon of smoked paprika powder, and 1/8 teaspoon of curry powder mix. Yes, curry powder and smoked paprika. Before you call the flavor police on me, hear me out. I'm not trying to make curry here, I just like stacking these sneaky little notes of warmth and smoke that are almost unnoticeable but add important depth to my liking. Time to start cooking. Heat a large non-stick pan over medium heat. Using a non-stick pan makes cleaning up easier for this because you won't have any loose noodles stuck to the bottom. Add 1 teaspoon of cooking oil, and once it simmers, add 1 grated garlic clove and your chopped pork belly. Sprinkle on some salt and pepper and let the pork sizzle until you see clear fat gathering around the edges. That rendered pork fat is going to flavor everything that follows. Push the pork and garlic to one side of the pan, crank the heat up to high, and slide the noodles into the empty space. Let them cook undisturbed until the underside is light golden brown, then mix. It's like a secret lard bath for your noodles, so every bite has that satisfying snap instead of creating soggy noodles. Once your noodles are lightly crispy, mix them together with the pork and add your diced bell peppers, cabbage and carrot. Sprinkle another bit of salt and stir everything so it cooks evenly but still have some bite. I know it seems like peak vegetable territory, but give them heat and they collapse quickly. Plus, some of my recipes are often light on the colorful stuff, so today we're making up for lost time. I'm using a 24 centimeter deep pan today, but a slightly roomier one wouldn't hurt. Here's where we add the star ingredient that makes this a proper meshy rice. Add 150 grams of cooked Japanese short grain rice, then sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of Chinese style chicken bouillon powder, 1/4 teaspoon of dashi granules, and 1/2 tablespoon of sake. You can use day-old cold rice, but it's not required. Give everything a good stir until the rice separates and everything's evenly coated and distributed. Time for that secret sauce we prepared earlier. Drizzle your pre-mixed sauce evenly over the rice and vegetables. Give it a good stir until everything is nice and shiny and coat it in the beautiful complex flavor. Finally, tilt the pan and pour soy sauce directly onto the hot surface so it sizzles and darkens before you fold it in. That little toast on the pan is the secret to getting the deep umami aroma. For the grand finale, toss in 3 tablespoons of tenkasu. Give it one last toss. and mold the mixture onto a warm plate. Top it off with a shower of bonito flakes and a dusting of aonori powder, and for a nice tangy touch, serve it with some red pickled ginger. If you really want to treat yourself, fry a sunny-side-up egg in a separate pan and place them right on top. Honey yolk becomes an instant sauce that ties everything together beautifully. And there you have it, Kobe's incredible fusion of yakisoba and fried rice. This dish is pure genius in its simplicity, combining the best of both worlds into one satisfying pan. Want even more delicious recipes? Grab my free cookbook from the link in the description. Okay, let's go over the ingredients one more time. And if you're ready to cook, grab the written instructions by clicking the full recipe box with a picture that's about to pop up on your screen. There we go, the link to the full recipe is on the screen for you now, and if you want to watch more similar videos, don't miss my yakisoba video popping up on your screen as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.